Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best handheld shower head for pleasure in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. SR Sunrise 10 inches Bathroom Luxury Shower Head. This SR Sunrise 10 inches bathroom luxury shower head system is the best shower for a fantastic experience. It is the best shower head for masturbation, among others. It has 6 full spray settings, and with its rub clean jets, you can easily clean the shower head. It has a water-saving pause mode, which allows you to save more water on RVs and boats. These masturbation showers are a great way to take care of yourself in an incredible way. It is usually transported safely because it is packed in a high-quality recyclable box and an easy-to-open box that protects the shower head. It will avoid packing simple brown boxes without strict and quick rules for opening plastic boxes. Its installation process is more straightforward because it has easy-to-follow instructions to make it easier and faster. So you don't need to get disturbed about the installation process. Advantages. It is easy to install and has an incredible selection configuration. Perfect flows and multiple modes. An option to stop the flow at any time. Disadvantages. Nothing was found. At number 2. SR Sunrise 12-inch Ceiling Rainfall Shower Head. The SR Sunrise 12-inch ceiling mount brushed rainfall shower head features patented technology that allows the capsules to saturate the necessary oil directly into the shower water. It has excellent coverage, providing optimal water pressure with a 6-hand shower adjustment. You can get a luxurious sensory experience with this, which is the ultimate shower for pleasure. It has a personalized function that allows you to take a fabulous bath every day, and when you want, you can take an aromatherapy bath. For a tremendous masturbating experience, you can saturate the necessary oils directly in the water stream whenever you want. You can easily use it by sliding a bath capsule over the infusion dial on the shower hand. Advantages. Simple installation procedure, no need to invite an installer to install. With 6 spray settings, you can easily change it with just one click. Ability to saturate oil and not leave it on the tub, skin, or bathroom floor. Disadvantages. The smell of shampoo or body can be confused with the room's smell, sometimes unpleasant. At number 3. SR Sunrise SRSH C1003 Rainfall Shower Head System. It is a reliable brand, specially designed for perfect performance by an American team of expert showerheads. Each showerhead contains 6 pulse massage settings: rainwater saving mode / massage, heavy rain, mist, rain / mist. It has anti-clogging nozzles, which are clean and easy to clean. For greater precision in flow and power, it features an advanced 3-zone click dial. It has a revolutionary front-to-back adjustable extendable arm position, which adjusts the back forward for the perfect height and angle. You can use the shower head up close without holding it by the swivel bracket. You can adjust the desired flow direction and enjoy an incredible masturbation sensation with this shower head. It is closer to some regions of the body and can provide more water pressure. The 6-foot extra-long reinforced stainless steel provides a very elastic extended coating. Rugged and reliable brass pipe nuts provide the security of a leak-free connection. You can also instantly change the water flow between showers using the 3-way water diverter combined with an extendable arm. Other accessories are included to facilitate the installation process, such as sanitary tape, washers, and the product manual. You don't need to call an installer for installation, as it has an easy connection without tools so that you can install it in a matter of minutes. Advantages. No batteries are required for this shower head. Easy to control water flow. An extra-large 6-foot hose. Disadvantages. Water leakage can occur after a few years. At number 4, high-pressure 1-2 stainless steel handheld shower head. Using this portable shower head, you can have a luxurious bathing experience and may nourish your body and hair and relax masturbation with a rain shower head. You can choose the shower head or shower wand with its 3-way diverter because we know that the best handheld shower head for female pleasure with a flow rate of GPM 1.8, you can install it without any plumbers. Its contoured shower wand transfixes deeply to give you the most amazing pleasures. This will help your masturbation experience to be memorable and one of its kind. You can get maximum coverage and 4 settings with its large rain shower head. This shower head has a modern metallic style. Its installation method is wall-mounted, with 6-inch cutting diameters. The components it carries are a shower wand, plumber's tape, 3-way diverter with bracket, premium 2.5-meter premium metal shower hose, and an instruction manual. Advantages. Well-designed and versatile. Fantastic performance of the shower head. 3. Water diversion routes that you can choose according to your needs. Disadvantages. Plastic areas can come out in a few years. At number 5, Essenbia oil-rubbed bronze shower head system. By sliding the bracket up and down with a simple movement, you can easily change the height of the shower and customize it to your needs. This is one of the best masturbation shower heads for women. No screws, drills, or other equipment is needed to install this shower. It is a massage in the shower with an energy flow of 2.5 GPM. It has a double shower, which includes 12 jet settings. For a double shower, it looks more remarkable than the others. Advantages. Durable 1.5 m metal hose, ultra-elastic and without elbows. 5 ways to spray the shower surface is 4-inch diameter, the flow rate is 2.0 GPM. Without using a drill or screws, you can install it yourself in minutes. Disadvantages. Relatively expensive. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.